What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. If you hopped on this video, that means that you want to know how to stop losing trades in the market. All right. But before I get to that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, guys. So if you landed on this video, you probably are wondering, how can I just stop losing in the market? All right. How can I eliminate it? Because we're going to focus on that subject. All right. We're going to focus in. I'm going to go over some examples of some things. But the main answer to how to stop losing in the market, all right, is there isn't one. All right. I know you came to this video thinking that you was about to get some type of strategy, some type of information. But guys, you cannot avoid losing in the market. All right. It's going to happen. All right. Whether you are a professional trader, a new trader, swing trader, intraday trader, scout, it don't matter. You're still going to take losses in the market. All right. But the thing is, you can learn how to manage those losses so you know that you only, you got in too early, or you got in too late, or you just have to work on your vision for the market. You feel what I'm saying? So this goes for my new traders. All right. Let's say you're new to the market. All right. You're brand new. You never traded alive yet. You still trading demo. Or you just brand new and you thinking about trading, or you already just started trading, but you keep finding yourself losing and losing and losing. Guys, that's a part of the process. All right. So the first thing first is for you to understand, all right, as a new trader, how to read this information right here. This is nothing but information. All right. I get people hit me up all the time like, Cash, what are you looking at? What is this? What is Forex trading? You feel me? Like, they don't even have no not. It's, guys, look at, you have, this is information. All right. This is how you make your money. All right. It might look crazy because it's zoomed out, but guys, when you look into these candles, they are telling a story. You get what I'm saying? They're telling you where it's going, where it could potentially go. All right. So just right quick, I just sent this out to the group. All right, I just sent this out to the group. All right. I'm looking for GBP to come up, finish this M. I'm looking for sales up here. All right, and for her to just come back down. And this is the take profit area right here. And it's just on a 15-minute time frame. And then what I'm gonna be doing, and this is on the 15-minute time frame, you have to look for patterns, all right, the creation of patterns. So let's delete this right quick. As a new trader, you like, oh man, let me hit this right quick. So none of this is there right quick. All right, we're just doing a replay. So as a new trader, right, you probably like, oh man, GBP dropping, right? So guess what you do? You hop in a trade. Super low for a sale, guys. When you want to sell, you catch it at the top. All right, you catch a sale at the top. You do not catch a sale this low. All right, if anything, you should be trying to catch a retracement at the bottom, all right, to test any levels up here, or just a retest, you feel me, to create another, you know what I'm saying, higher low, and then it's gonna drop. But in this case, I'm looking at the pattern. All right, so if you would have caught a sale here, boom, you good to go. You could have took profit. But let's say you hopped in the trade right here as a new trader because you're like, oh man, GBP going crazy, man. This dropping. Okay, cool. Yes, GBP could be selling. All right, it could be selling. But at the end of the day, you have to understand that the market goes up, down, up, down. It creates pattern. It goes tests old levels. You feel me? Before getting back into the trend It can't just go straight down or straight up because everybody would be rich. Okay, everybody would be rich if we could know what the market is about to do. What is the market next move? You feel me? But guess what? We're not robots. We don't do that. We are human beings where we use our eyes, we use our analysis to predict the next move. Okay, that's first thing first. We just got to get that part understood. We are predicting. Okay, so that's why you have to work on your craft. That's why you have to practice day in, day out what you looking for, what you know what I'm saying, not to do, because this is something you should not want to do. Now let's play this right quick. You see? Boom. Now you in drawdown, right? Now you are in drawdown because you got in right here. Some people would, now let's just be honest. Some people, scalpers, you feel me? They would have took this. Some of them would have got out right here. If they seen this wick right here, then some would have got out. But a new trader, no, you just don't know. You feel me? And some experienced traders still would have got cooked right here because they was not patient enough for the sale. Okay. This could potentially come all the way back up here. Like I say, me looking for patterns, I see a M. So I don't even want to hop in yet. It's still too low. Or you feel me? This could be just a simple little pullback. Boom. She bounced off of a level up there. This could be a pullback. This could be another entry for a sale. But only thing is you have to wait. You feel me? You have to wait and be patient and let the market do what it do. Because if you don't, all right, if you do not, you will get cooked. So like right here, you can get in for a sale just because it looks good. All right, it's 12:48. This candle opened at 12:45. So we only been, well, now it's 12:49. So we only been in this candle for 4 minutes, guys. What you have to really understand, like the power of a candle, to me, is like the last 5 minutes of this 15-minute candle. So I want to wait until it's almost close. Sorry guys. I want to wait till it's almost close to the freaking 1 o'clock candle. All right. For me to hop in this trade. So at 1 o'clock, that will tell me the momentum of the market at this time. But just hopping in right here because you seen it sell. And look, like I say, boom. I just see this thing coming all the way up, finishing this M. If you don't know patterns, we trade M's, W's, head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders, triple top, triple bottoms. It's just a whole bunch of patterns that you can put together, you feel me, to understand when to get in, when not to get in, when to get out. You feel me? So if you want to catch this little inside of the M, that was cool pips. But at the end of the day, boom, boom, it's gonna come right back up if you didn't take profit, but it's gonna come right back down. You feel me? That's also part of being a swing trader. All right, it's gonna go. What price gonna do? It's gonna go like up and down and up and down. You might be up 1K, then you're gonna be back down $600. Then you're gonna be up 3K. Then you're gonna be back down like 5. It's gonna go up and down because you catching everything. You catching the pullbacks. You catching the move off the higher time frame. So that's another thing you just got to figure out. All right, what type of trader do you want to be? All right, me personally, I like the 4 hour time frame. I like to manage and enter off the 15-minute. And when I say manage, that means I just like to watch and see what's going on. All right, that's it. I don't panic off the 15-minute time frame because it's not as valid, like I say, as the 4 hour. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. All right, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. All right, even the 4 hour is showing, you feel me, some type of rejection down here and that it could buy. All right, look at the 4 hour, guys. This also showing like a little M. You got the leg, boom, came down. Price probably gonna come back up to here and then sell. You feel me? So if you're not seeing what I'm saying, this could be a M right here. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's what I see. I see price coming back up. Test this support up here, resistance up here. Sorry, resistance up here. All right. And if you can't, you know what I'm saying, understand patterns, then just keep it simple. Draw you a box for your resistance. Like I showed you guys in the last video or last other video where I was showing you guys how to find key areas. And it's that simple. You feel me? You just wait. Most people just don't want to wait. They just don't want to wait. They have to hop in the market. They have to trade all day. They have to do this, that, and they end up getting cooked. You feel me? Because if just because like you cannot trade. Well, me personally, I can't trade. I can't do that shit all day. I like to catch me a position and just chill, watch it form into what I knew it was going to do. Not hopping in the market, hopping out. You feel me? Not none of that. I don't really like to do all that trading and this, then third. So even when I was trading something very, very um liquid, was NAS 100 US 30. I only like to trade those at 9:30, guys, the opening. I don't really like to trade it all day because like I say, it ain't, I like to catch a move, you feel me? But you have to know what's your strengths, what's your weaknesses, what pairs do you like. All right. So let me go to my watch list. All right. So all of this is tying in to how you can eliminate a lot of losses, but you can't eliminate losses in general. All right. So entering too early and too late can just be, you know what I'm saying? Like here is too late. This right here can create a loss. Why? Because you in drawdown. You probably don't have enough funds. Okay. You probably don't have enough funds to let it come all the way back up here in drawdown, or you probably don't even have enough patience, the courage, emotions. You probably just don't have nothing to let this come back up, bro. You feel me? And then come back down. You feel me? That's the problem. You could be in the right direction, but too early, and that's gonna always cook you because this is a smaller time frame. Yes, if the higher time frame is showing a sell, you have to wait until the lower time frame also matches up. That will give you your entry. And I'm gonna try to find an example while I'm doing this video. But guys, you have to understand that getting in too late and too early can also mess you up. You feel me? So another example of getting in too early, all right. So example of getting in too early, I did the too late right here. So let's say too early. All right, boom. You're looking for a sale right here, right? You're looking for a sale right here. Or let's say boom, boom, boom. You seen it come up, came down. Too early would be you getting in. All right, you see a buy. You see a buy situation, right? You see a buy situation right here. Let's say you see this whole buy move right here. All right, too early would be right like this. Let me grab what you call it right quick. No, not that. Let me grab this right here. Let's say you looking at this right here. You like boom, 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 boom. Okay, we got this pullback right here. We got this pullback. I'm finna get in for a buy. Boom, it's too early, right? Because we still got a little bit more pullback to do, and it's still bought. But you got in too early because you seen this to the left. All right, you seen this to the left. Boom, boom, boom. Then we got the pullback. Then we had this big counter. Let me zoom in so you can see. The market is manipulative, especially the 15 minute. All right. And then we got this big counter right here. And you like, oh yeah, I'm finna hop in and buy. That's early, right? What it do? Drop, 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 back down, tested some levels down here, and then shot up above your entry. All right, because this was your entry. Boom. You could have took profit. All right. If you would have waited though. But since you got into early, this probably scared you and you got out. All right. I know how it go. Trust me. In order for you to understand how everything works, guys, you have to just practice day in, day out, day in, day out. That's the only way you're gonna get it. Because if this is your day one, all right, you can't compare your day one to anybody's day 20, day 30, day 5, day 10. You have to understand that you will not understand the market until you practice with your own two eyes. You feel me? Sharpen your eyes, sharpen your emotions, practice on psychology. Nobody will master psychology 100%, but at the end of the day, it's still little things you can do. Like me personally, when I'm in a trade, I don't like to look at how much money I'm making and how much money I'm losing. I want to watch the market. All right, I want to watch the market to make sure that, you feel me, I'm in the right direction. And once that I see price went to a certain level, then I check, you know what I'm saying, how much money I'm making or how much money I'm losing. I don't just watch my phone. You feel me? If you are sitting there watching the numbers go up and up or down and down and down, that is not going to help you become a better trader. All that's going to do is enhance your greed, because you're going to see how much money you can make so fast, you feel me? And then also it's going to increase depression, because if you're losing all the time, you feel me, you're just going to see red, red, red all the time if you're watching it. But if you're watching the market and understanding, all right, how to catch the certain moves and just look at that, let price come to a certain area before you hop in. Or you could have even bought here if you knew this was an M. You could have bought this all the way up. I was in a couple buys, but I took profit. You feel me? I'm through for the day. But you could have bought this all the way up to this level and got out. This could be your take profit area. Now, if this break this resistance, then cool. Then you still in the direction of the trend. But me personally, I see this coming all the way up just to sell back down. So if you like me looking for the sale, you don't hop in early. It's buying. You get what I'm saying? So if it's buying, you wait till it get to this level, which is the last leg of the M, and we sell. All right. It's that simple. You don't hop in because you know that it's going to sell, or you think that it's going to sell. You don't hop in. If anything, if you want to just hop in, you hop in with the trend of what's going on right now. If you just wanted to hop in the market and if you couldn't wait, you feel me? You go with what's going on at the moment. All right, you don't just go off of what you believe or what you think or what you want to happen in the market. You will get cooked every single time, I promise. So to answer the question how to stop losing, you can't. All right, that's just not going to happen, because it's so many things that could happen. Like you might have pressed buy but ended up hitting sell, you feel me, or the opposite. Is losses are just going to happen in the market. All right, so get used to it. Don't cry over losses. If you're losing more than you want to be winning, then it's something that you have to fix personally. Not anybody can do it for you, you feel me? I have a signal group and I have a strategy, but at the end of the day, that's not going to make you like the best version of yourself. You're the only person that's going to make you the best version of yourself. I can call out signals all day. It don't matter how many of them hit. You feel me? A lot of my signals going to hit. Some of them going to hit stop loss. But guess what? When I hit stop loss, that means I got in too early, and I keep a tight stop loss, guys. I only do 20 pips per stop loss, because I know I don't want to lose that much money. So if this thing go against me, I know that it's not ready yet. So that's another thing. You test the market out first with little lots. Once it start going in your direction, you get a pullback. Boom, you can pop it with a bigger lot if you wanted to. But at the end of the day, it's just like you have to practice this stuff. I can sit here and preach all day, tell you this, tell you that. You can see this video and be like, oh man, this makes sense. But if you don't practice this, it's not gonna, you know what I'm saying, even matter. So if you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'm out.